So in this video I will share how to make this type of animation video in Canva. So let's start. So I will click on video and I will choose 1920 x 1080 pixels, which is YouTube dimension, and I will click on right click and open link in new tab. Okay. So after opening I will go to elements first and scroll down till I find frame, and here I will choose the second one, which is slightly curved, and I will just make it smaller and place it right here. Okay, and I will duplicate it. So 5 times duplication is done. Let's make it smaller. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will come here to shapes and make it no color. Okay, and I will make the border as this one, the second one, and I will choose it to 6, and I will just stretch it according to my requirement. Okay, and I will change the color of border to white and the background to black. Okay, so after that I'll just select this all. I'll Ctrl A select and just shift and unselect the border one. Okay, and I will move them to a side of this. Okay, let's move here and right click, layer, send to backward, send to back, and this one is done. Now let's come to elements again and click on ladies bag, and here I will go to photo section and I will choose 5 bags from here for my design. Okay, so this one is the first. Let's choose other than black color because the background is always also black, so the black color will not look good here. So let's take this one for the second one. Let's take this purple one for the third. Next, this color. So let's choose this one. Okay, so 5 bags choice is done. Now I will just duplicate all of them. But before duplicating it, I will just here select neon arrow. Okay, and click on graphics, and as you can see here, this neon arrow, I will select this one and just make it smaller, flip horizontal and place it right here. make it slightly smaller because it will not look good if the size of both are same. Okay, so this one is done, and for the second one I will choose this one. Let's make it smaller. And duplicate it, bring it right here and flip it. Okay, so this one is done. So let's check for the size. Okay, so I have to move this one and also this one and decrease the size. Okay, so this one is done. Now we will just use the scale here or the rulers. If you don't have this ruler, just place Shift plus R on the keyboard to bring in the rulers. Okay, and after that just place it right here so that all the images are in the same order and the same scale. Okay, and now it's time to duplicate them 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first one is done. Now let's change the color for the arrows. Here I'll use the photo colors here. And I will make the same for this one also. So the first one is done. Let's do for the second one, which is the color here and also the back. I'll just duplicate it, bring here the photo, adjust it and change the color. For the second one, this is the color. Let's work for the third one. For the fourth one, and now let's work for the fifth one. So this one is done. Now let's work for the arrows part here. So first one is arrow will be right here. For the second, the arrow will be coming to the second one. For the third one, fourth, and in the fifth. Now I will just work in here in the transition part. If you can't see the transition like this, just place the arrow just between the slides and you can find the transition part, and here in every one click on match and move. Duration will be 0.5 seconds in every one. Okay, so in every part it is done. Now let's change the timing to 2 seconds and click on apply to all 5 pages. And let's see the work here. So it is working absolutely fine. You can work on the timings also if you want, but for me it looks great and you can work on the similar things. Okay, so hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I will meet you in another tutorial, and till then please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.